Hey YouTube, I'm in Charleston, South Carolina, so I thought I'd make a small video. I'm full squid. I got shorts, some clogs. I don't even have gloves on, but I got my helmet on because doing some videos. Bike's making weird noises. Not quite sure why. Makes a nattering noise sometimes. Wondering if it's the heat. Anyways, I'm not going far. Just do a small tour. Yeah, so my bike's on getting near there. Time for its next service already, so I'm trying to get in tomorrow at the local one, but probably not going to happen, so I'm going to have to do it near Deals Gap before I go on. See how that goes. Does it when it's not fully warm or when it's too hot, so I'm not quite sure what's going on there noise-wise. Market Square, we'll get on that later. And customs house. Anyways, came here from, I had to stay in Jacksonville. That was all booked up for some sort of blues festival. And then made it here yesterday, staying down in the historical area. Don't ask how much I paid, it's a lot. But it's worth it, definitely worth it. City's pretty cool. What's the Fort Sumner there? Civil War base. There's that the pineapple things over there. Yeah, nice city, you know, another colonial era city. That's kind of nice to look at. Had my barbecue when I first came in. Hot though, real hot. It's just been muggy since Florida. I don't know if the bike likes it too much. Yeah, 14,322, so about 15,000 miles I have to get it done. Since I've been going long and hard in Texas and all that, probably should get it done earlier. Still lots of oil. I gotta check the tires again. I'll do that tomorrow before I leave. My plan is, I was hoping to get this done, drop it off in the morning, but I don't think it's gonna happen. They haven't called me back. And this is a cool neighborhood too. And then head out, or anyways, drop off the bike, get it done, and then ride 5 hours to Deals Gap, and then check out Kentucky and all Tennessee and stuff like that. You know, do the whole whiskey tour thing there, and then head to the Drunken Peasants Meet up in Ohio, which is a little bit out of the way, but I thought I'd do it. Why not, right? Big fanboy of them, so might as well go for a few drinks, see if I can meet them. And supposedly their meetups are pretty insane, so there's that guns I got. This is the part of the battery guns I got. See, that's that fucking noise. I don't know what that is. I'll get that checked out. It's been doing that since Jacksonville. Something's just loose. Like it sounds like it's on the outside of the engine. I might just be paranoid. Why doesn't it do anything when I hit stuff? When it does things between 1,000 and K, it makes a noise. Or 1,000 RPM. Sorry, I'm nattering to myself about the bike. And there's a lot of cool Civil War stuff here. Lots of good food. Lots of cool parks, lots of cool architecture. I still like New Orleans a little better though. Just personal reasons. Just a cooler city, more fun. This is a little bit more, I don't know, subdued, I guess. I walked this yesterday when I first got in. It was pretty nice. Oh. Anyways, I'm getting a little tired of traveling myself. I'm still wondering if I'm just gonna head back to Canada after Idaho, or try to head out east again and do New York and Washington, Philly, and then and Boston, of course. And then head into Newfoundland, or like I said, just head into Ontario and then go back into Newfoundland. But I don't know. I guess if I'm gonna go to Newfoundland, I might as well go through the States. Down here yesterday, there's a cool wine and cigar place I kind of wanted to go to. I might do it tonight. Barbecue again. I was rolling myself. Oh, there it is. tobacco and wine combo. Husbands are all smoking cigars and the wives are all drinking wine. Now that noise is gone and the bike's pretty warm, so I wonder what just happens when it's warm. Turn here. Here's the outdoor market that I got. I was there the other day. It was pretty good. Just cool stuff, you know. Kind of like the one in Seattle. Well, that's it. I'm gonna head back to the hotel and try to find this place on foot that I was gonna eat at. Again, feel free to hit like, follow me, you know, subscribe, see if my bike breaks down after this noise. It doesn't really be affecting anything, it just makes a rattly noise once in a while. And yeah, next stop should be the Smoky Mountains and Deals Gap. So I'll make a video of that. Post it when I can. Also going to be in Columbus for that Drunken Peasants thing, so I don't know if you're a fan of that too. I'll be there.